How to add multiple phone numbers in one contact. First up, go to the contacts and select the contact where you want to add another number. As you can see, you have an edit option on the top right corner. Click on edit and then you will have an option to add phone under the existing mobile number. Click on this and you can also select the label of the phone number. Click on the label that you want to give and then add the phone number to this section. Another option is to go to your keypad in the phone, type in the number that you want to add and then click on add number. Here you have two options where you also have an option to add to existing contact. Then select the contact you want to add the number to, and as you can see, the number has been added. Click on update on the top right corner and as you can see, you have now added both the numbers in one single contact. This is how you can easily add multiple numbers to one contact.
We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.